Assalamu alaikum viewers, Dr. Zafir with you. Today I am going to address your fear and phobia, concern, confusions and the facts about COVID-19 vaccine. First of all, I am pleased to inform you that I have received 2 doses of Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine in January 2021. I will share my own experience also. This video is exclusively for general public awareness. I will try my best to make them understand on scientific basis regarding COVID-19 vaccine. Are you ready? Here we go. Since 2019, we are in a state of panic, fear, loss of economy and loss of job. Facing travel bans, lockdown, staying at home and cannot visit our friends and relatives. We are suffering emotionally, psychologically and financially. Most of you are concerned about COVID-19 vaccine safety and about its production in short time. For your informations, before vaccine is ready to use, it passes through different stages to check its safety, efficacy, and major and minor side effects. Although COVID-19 vaccines have been manufactured rapidly, having undergone all the steps of testing, including testing on human beings. The Food and Drug Administration of the country of origin and the country where it will be used recheck and approve to use in general population. Now I will address some of the frequently asked questions. You wanted to know how do vaccines work. Generally, vaccines reduce the risk of infection by working with our body's natural defense for protection. When a vaccine is given, our immune system responds by 3 ways. Number 1, recognizing the virus as soon as it enters the body. Number 2, it produces antibodies against the disease. Number 3, remembers the disease and how to fight it. Why should the COVID-19 vaccine be taken? It's a good question. There are 2 main reasons for taking the vaccine. Number 1, protecting ourselves. Number 2, protecting those around us. Without vaccination, we will always be at risk of contracting COVID-19 infection, which can be life-threatening. You already know prevention is better than cure. Instead of treating the disease after its occurrence, the vaccine will prevent the disease in the first place. People are whispering, does the COVID vaccine prevent you from getting COVID? According to the experts of the public health, people can still spread and even develop COVID-19 after getting a vaccine. The immunity from the vaccine doesn't begin to emerge until at least 12 days after vaccination. That means it takes 2 weeks our body prepares antibodies against the disease. Fearful question. Can we still get COVID after the vaccine? According to Dr. William Schaffner, a CDC advisor and infectious disease specialist, an individual who has been vaccinated still has the ability to contract the coronavirus, although they are more likely to be asymptomatic. These efficacy rates for both Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna vaccines, there is 94% chance not getting seriously ill. Why is the COVID vaccine 2 doses? Very good question. When a vaccine requires 2 shots, the first shot helps our body recognize the virus and gets our immune system ready, while the second shot strengthens that immune response. This makes our body more prepared to fight infection. With 2 doses, we are protected more or less 94%. Is there a difference between dose 1 and dose 2 of the currently approved COVID-19 vaccine? The first dose and second dose of Pfizer or Moderna COVID-19 vaccine should be exactly the same both chemically and from a dosage point of view. Is there any side effects of COVID-19 vaccine? This is the real fear and phobia of the general public. Well, let me share my own experience of receiving 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccine. After the first dose, I simply felt pain at the site of injection, which subsided within 48 hours. After the second dose, first 8 hours, I felt pain at the injection site, but after 24 hours, I had moderate muscles pain and some backache. I took paracetamol and in 2 days I was okay. Generally, after being administered COVID-19 vaccine, some individuals may have side effects like mild fever, pain at injection site and body ache. This is similar to the side effects that occur in some other vaccines. A false and baseless propaganda on the social media made you phobic. After reading this sort of post, the post claims the COVID vaccine irreversibly changes our DNA. This is misguiding information. Please note, several COVID-19 vaccines use a new technology but will not change our DNA. What if you don't have side effects from COVID vaccines? If you don't have any symptoms after the first or second shot, do not interpret it as the body and the vaccine not working. The vast majority of people don't have any effects from the vaccine other than soreness of the arm and fatigue. Some people don't feel anything. How long do COVID vaccine side effects last? People also may experience chills, fatigue, and headaches. In clinical trials of both Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, mild to moderate side effects within a week of vaccination were common. The CDC says most side effects, however, usually occur within a day or two and go away in a few days. When do side effects from second COVID-19 vaccine start? Chills, tiredness, and headaches are more commonly seen after the second dose. The side effects usually start within a day or two of getting the vaccine but go away in a few days. What are the side effects of the second dose of COVID-19 vaccine? This is a very valid question. Side effects are more likely with a second dose than the first. According to the US Food and Drug Administration, both the Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna vaccines can cause muscle and joint pains, chills, fever, swelling, and redness at the injection site, nausea, and a general unwell feeling. How protected are we after the first COVID shot? A study in the New England Journal of Medicine says protection from the first dose of the Pfizer vaccine doesn't start for about 12 days. Then it's estimated to be about 52% effective a few weeks later. Both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines require 2 doses to reach the efficacy up to 94%. Are we immune to COVID after the vaccine? It typically takes a few weeks for the body to build immunity for vaccination. That means it's possible a person could be infected with the virus that causes COVID-19 just before or just after vaccination and still get sick. Is Pfizer vaccine effective against new strain of COVID? We all wanted to get protection from the new strain of COVID also. Pfizer says the coronavirus vaccines developed by Pfizer and BioNTech is effective against the new strains of the virus first found in the United Kingdom and South Africa. Now take home important informations. December 13, 2020, COVID-19 vaccine has been approved for use in persons aged 16 years and above. No vaccine is 100% effective. Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine should be administered alone. If you have planned to take any other vaccine, take it 14 days before or 14 days after your COVID-19 vaccine. 2 doses required to achieve high efficacy. Efficacy after second dose 95%. Persons initiating series with Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine should complete series with the same product. 2 doses administered intramuscularly 3 weeks apart. Even you have received the COVID-19 vaccine, you should continue practicing hand sanitizing, distancing, and wearing mask in gathering and public places, because if you get COVID-19 infection after vaccination, it will be mild for you, but you can spread the virus to your loved ones. All microchips conspiracies are conspiracies with no scientific evidence supporting it. COVID-19 vaccine does not affect our DNA. Successful COVID-19 vaccination program will also allow the lifting of the travel bans in countries and the reduction of social distancing, and thus the return of normal life gradually if more than 80% world population receive vaccines against COVID-19. COVID-19 vaccines are our great hope for ending the pandemic. For further update informations, please follow the guidelines of CDC and WHO. Together, we can fight and overcome the COVID-19 pandemic. Please share, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.